More than 2,000 died as powerful earthquake hit southern Turkey and Syria. According to the United States Geological Survey, the epicenter of 7.8 magnitude earthquake was 23 km east of Nurdagi in Turkey, Gaziantep province. The quake was one of the largest ever recorded in Turkey. At least 2,300 have been died in the massive 7.8 magnitude earthquake. Hundreds were still to be believed trapped under rubble. Today I am willing to discuss the science behind earthquake in Turkey in detail. Before discussing earthquake in Turkey, first we need to know what is earthquake and what causes them to happen. First, what is earthquake? Earthquake is caused by sudden release of energy that radiate outward in form of waves in all directions, causing sudden shaking or jolt of the Earth's surface. It is a natural event. Earth is not just one piece. It is made up of jigsaw puzzles of around 15 to 20 large and small pieces, which are called tectonic plates. These plates are placed above and a hot partially molten layer of earth mantle. These plates are in continuous motion, but we don't feel it because they move very slowly, as about 4 cm per year. There are a number of theories that attempt to explain what derives the movement of tectonic plates. We will discuss it in another lecture. Now, what causes earthquakes? The tectonic plates that make up the earth crust are moving constantly. The edges of these plates are sliding against each other in fault zones or fault lines. As the edge of the faults struck together and the rest of the part keep moving, the energy that normally causes the parts to slide past one another is being stored up. When the force of the moving parts finally overcomes the friction of the jagged edge of the fault and it unsticks, all the stored up energy is released suddenly. This energy radiates outward from the fault in all directions in the form of seismic waves, like ripple on the pond. These seismic waves shake the earth as they move through it, and when the waves reach the earth's surface, they shake the ground and everything on it, like our houses and us. The surface where the plates slip against one another is called fault or fault line. The exact point where the earthquake occurs is called focus or hypocenter. The point on Earth's surface directly above where an earthquake happened, called epicenter. There are several types of plate boundaries that are associated with earthquakes, including divergent, convergent, and transform boundaries. Today I am going to discuss only transform boundary because the earthquake in Turkey was a transform fault. What is transform boundary? In transform boundary, tectonic plates slide horizontally or sideways past each other. In this boundary, lithosphere is neither created nor destroyed. As the plates rub against each other, huge stresses can cause portion of the rock to break due to the friction, resulting in earthquake. Now, earthquake in Turkey. The Turkey lies in one of the world's most active seismic zones and is crossed by numerous fault lines. The Anatolian transform fault system is probably the most active in the world. It separates the Eurasian plate from Anatolian plate in North Turkey, and Arabian Plate from Anatolian Plate in southern Turkey. Some of the most destructive earthquakes in history have been caused by movement along this fault. The earthquake in Turkey on Monday produced at Anatolian Transform Fault, which is a strike-slip transform type tectonic boundary between Arabian Plate and Anatolian Plate. The epicenter was 23 km east of Nurdagi in Turkey, Gaziantep province. The place underground where the earthquake originated, or we called it focus, was 24 km deep. The magnitude was 7.8 in Richter scale. Geologists use an instrument to measure the seismic waves magnitude called seismograph. This records the waves ranging from 0 to 10, where 0 is the lowest and 10 being the highest. These are measured on Richter scale. When an earthquake takes place, one of the key things we have to know is where it happened. We called it the focus, the point where the plates collide each other. It is actually make a really big difference in how destructive an earthquake is. If the quake have deep focus, meaning it happened quite underground, the energy from the quake spread out a lot and weakened before reaching the surface. Even extremely strong earthquake end up not causing a lot of damage. If the earthquake is shallow, they don't happen very far underground. The energy released by this earthquake reach Earth's surface quickly, often causing massive destruction. Even the earthquake is not very strong. The earthquake in Turkey was shallow focused. That's why it caused massive destruction. Thank you very much for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you wish to be notified when we upload a new video, please hit the little bell icon.